guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to be showing you how I use my hair, and I use aloe vera hair mask. When you want to cut your hair, always make sure you know the exact length of your hair. Know the exact length of your hair. That's how you're going to determine where to cut. The Kanekalon hair I used was a fake one, and I detected late when I bought it, and I cut it to start making my hair. That was when I realized it was a fake one. So it's actually, my hair went through a lot of breakage, because I really don't know the chemical used in making these Kanekalons. I should have washed it first before making my hair, but life goes on. It is what it is. So this is my hair loose. I combed it out already. It broke a lot, like I had a lot of breakage. So I'm going to be using aloe vera, 2 bulbs of aloe vera. Aloe vera is extremely good for your hair. It helps with breakage, it helps with dandruff, it helps your hair to shine, it helps the pH level of your hair, the pH balance of your hair. So this is me using blade to cut it in pieces, so it can be very easy for me to apply to the roots of my hair. If you stick around, I'm going to be showing you how I washed my hair with white vinegar. After this whole process, I'm going to wash my hair with white vinegar, but this is going to be in the next video. So I cut my hair in parts with my hands actually. Then I apply the aloe vera to the roots of my hair. Okay, I actually tried using a comb, but it didn't work out fine, so I dropped it after a few trial, and I used my hand to part my hair. So this is the aloe vera. Some videos were removed, I don't know how, but this is the aloe vera. If you want to extract the juice, you can use your finger or you use a comb to just pinch it out, then the gel is going to come out automatically. You really don't need to break it out into a bucket to avoid being in a messy situation. So you can just pinch it, or you use a comb to touch it. Then the gel comes out, then you apply it to the root of your hair. Area and aspect of your natural life, you should add aloe vera to it. Aloe vera is actually the best. I really don't know the chemical name or this thing to give it to me, but aloe vera is the best. You can just wake up in the morning and drink a cup of aloe vera with water and lime or lemon. You can use it as a face mask, you can use it as every single thing. Whatever you just want to do and live a very natural and organic free life, you need to use aloe vera. Don't forget, cut your hair in sections with your hand and apply the aloe vera round. Don't forget, pinch it, pinch it, pinch it, pinch it, pinch it, pinch it, so the gel can come out, then you can use again. So I'm basically done with the procedure. I just have to use my hand to massage the aloe vera very well into my scalp, because I didn't use it. I didn't part my hair strands by strands. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.